today we're going to make momo. We need about 1.5 of full garlic, small piece of ginger, about 1 cup of green onion chopped. We need 2 red onions or any onions you have, and about 2 pounds of pork. Teaspoon of momo masala, 5 teaspoon of regular cumin powder, 3 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We have about 5 cups of all-purpose flour. To that, we're going to add about 1.5 cup of warm water, and this is about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to let it mix for about 5 minutes.